If you want to find out exactly where we are, just type in Sucker Flats RV on Google. Well, as you've seen in the last video, we're back at Sucker Flats. And 3 days after we got here, this little accident happened. The neighbor was cleaning the ditches and sometimes crap happens.
And the pile burns by accident.
Burn, baby, burn.
Burn, baby, burn. It's a good one.
It's getting close to the building. I'm afraid it's going to go up. We got fire everywhere. It has jumped and it's crawling, and the building's going to go. Hopefully the fire department will show up soon. I've called them. Waiting for the fire department. It's getting close to the buildings. It's already up in between them. And I think that one's going to go up. And that is full of hydraulic equipment. And oh my God, it's going to go. And I have no choice. I can't do anything about it. So it is what it is. Waiting for the fire department to show up. I've called them about a half hour ago, and they still haven't showed up. So.
Well, he just went to the truck along and we went up and around and we go up to the buildings and outside them. Because those two buildings are full of nothing but rubber and open. I'll do it in the potty, but I'll go home and I'll go home over it.
I was in the water up there on Davis's place, and they were going to go by, or I saw them go by it.
Pretty impressed with this little camera. Never took pictures of fires before. Yep, the fire got a little farther away than wanted. Started as a ditch fire, got into the big fire, and started burning up this ditch. Thought it was almost out, but it got all the way over. Can't see it probably, but it got all the way over to that building right back in there. Can't see it, too dark. That was the time to call out the fire department. Filer, doing a good job. Excitement here on Sucker Flats. I think they're putting foam on it now. Still smoldering. About, oh geez, I'd say 16 hours after it started. There's the big fire. Hank's checking it out. And there's the ditch they were burning, and it came all the way up, then caught this on fire. Then it jumped. I don't know how it did it, but it got over to there, went up through that fence line, went all the way up through that way, and headed for that building. And then Terry called the fire department then, huh?
Yes, sir, I did.
You know when to throw the towel in. Hey, there's a lot of stuff around here that could have burned up that did not. Thanks to the Filer Fire Department and all their crew of volunteers. They did a great job.